In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scrolling text to OBS. So, first of all, what you want to do is go to the sources here, and you want to go to text. Click on this here. You want to put a name in here. I'm just going to leave it blank for now. And now we can put our text in here. Hello, you say that. You can change the color of it. So say you want black. Okay. You want, fiddle around with this to get it to your liking, like this. Now press OK. I'm going to drag this down here. Actually, I'll put it up here so it's a bit more visible. Now you want to go onto text, right click it, go to filters. From filters you want to add, and you want to go down to this one that says scroll. Click OK. Now it's going to be on 0, by default, but you can change the scroll speed one direction or the other. So horizontal speed is going to be this way. If you put it minus, it's going to go the other way. And you can obviously speed it up a lot. You can put, if you want it faster, you can fiddle around in here. And if you wanted to go vertical, you can do this. So that's going to be like that. And you can just combine the two if you wanted to, have it go like horizontal, diagonal like this. You can limit the width, you can limit the height, and you can put loop on or off depending on if you need it. Most people probably have it looping. But yeah, that's how you do it. Now you've done that, and you can see that that is here, and it's very annoying. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.